Hello everybody, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Topic of today is convertible top C7. How do I clean it? Well, I can tell you, there's something out there called rag top, R-A-G-G-T-O-P-P. It's a complete system. I do like it, I do prefer it, but I found that unless you get your top really dirty, or it's an older top, you can really get by with a good wash. I choose the Griot's products, ceramic washing coat, and a good microfiber mitt. And this is just how I do it. Now, you could chime in and say, hey, no, Corvette Dan, I think that's what we're all here for, to learn from each other. But basically, one thing I want to mention with this is the top should be completely dry before you drop it, right? And that's right out of the owner's manual, folks. So as you can see, I'm just taking a regular old microfiber wash mitt, possibly a Griot's brand product as well, and I just like that. Pretty much. I also have this nice brush here too for agitating. I don't know where I got this brush, but it's a nice soft bristled brush. I do have somewhere a horsehair brush. I don't know if that's politically correct anymore, so I don't use it any longer. I don't even know where I got it. So after that, let's take my hose and on the soaker feature, let's make sure we get all the soap out of it. It won't be too hard. Now, this obviously applies to Corvette convertibles, I would say, of all generations. But then again, cars of all generations. There may be unique applications. I would definitely use the owner's manual when looking at, hey, how does the manufacturer recommend? For example, manufacturer recommends you wait till the top is completely dry before you drop it. So let me know what you think, folks. Please click the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I drop new videos, which is frequently. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate all the support. Until the next one, everyone, thank you very much.